Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have a console project. Now start by adding references and planning colors. In C# files, ensure you use system and have access to console. Next, choose values from the console color enum for foreground and background. Pick readable contrasts like white on black or yellow on dark blue. Once done, place your color change code near program start or before key output. This keeps state predictable and avoids surprises later when other methods overwrite colors during execution. Now implement the change directly. Set console. Foreground color to the chosen console color and console. Background color likewise. Make sure to call console. Clear after changing background so the entire buffer repaints with the new background. Without this, only new text will show the background color. Use conditional checks if colors depend on configuration or user input, and encapsulate changes in a method so you can reuse or revert them. This organization prevents scattered color assignments and makes maintenance straightforward. Finish by restoring original colors where appropriate. Either call console. Reset color or store original foreground color and background color and reapply them. If colors don't appear, make sure you're running in a true console, Windows Terminal, PowerShell, or CMD, because some hosts and the debugger output window ignore color changes. Also verify your project subtype. An application built as a GUI subsystem won't host a console. If problems persist, run the compiled exe outside Visual Studio to isolate IDE-related interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.